Cordless Vacuum Cleaner Elite 8 delivers 48,000 pascals suction with a 500W brushless motor for deep, effective hair and debris removal on all surfaces. Powered by 7 by 2,500 mAh cells, it runs up to 60 minutes and fully charges in 4 hours. The anti-tangle spiral brush prevents hair wraps and works on all floor types. Smart touchscreen shows real-time battery, suction level, and system alerts for easy control. Includes extension tubes, detachable battery, HEPA filters, wall bracket, sofa brush, crevice tool, and more for full home cleaning. 500W brushless motor with 48 kPa suction. 7 by 2,500 mAh removable battery, and up to 60-minute runtime. Smart display panel. Real-time monitoring of battery level, suction power, and system alerts for intuitive control. Large capacity components. Includes LED floor brush, telescopic extension pipe, and detachable battery for longer, flexible cleaning. Advanced filtration. 7-stage filtration system captures microscopic particles, ensuring cleaner and healthier exhaust air. Adjustable runtime modes. Power-efficient operation with selectable 20, 40, or 60-minute cleaning modes to match your needs. Convenient storage. Wall-mounted charging dock with built-in removable battery station for easy storage and access. Hygienic emptying. One-click dustbin release, washable filters, and a removable dust cup for clean, mess-free maintenance. You can find the product link in the description below.